कभी सोचा है कि जब कभी कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है लाइफ में तो हम उसका कैसे फेस करते हैं उसे? तो जनरली what we do is first we crib about the problem. First we try to think, अरे यार I am so unlucky, this is happening with me, why it is happening with me, बाकी लोग इतने मजे कर रहे हैं, ये सब कुछ मेरे साथ ही हो रहा है, right? So this is what is our first reaction of the 90% people. Then slowly we come towards thinking about a solution. So मैं आज आपको एक बहुत ही कॉमन प्रॉब्लम जो अभी हो रही है हमारे देश में, उस प्रॉब्लम के एक सोल्यूशन के बारे में आज बात करूंगी, और वो है jobs that are going to be trending after lockdown. So it will not only be helpful to the students, but it will also be helpful to the people who are pursuing their masters or looking for a career change. So this video will be helpful to them. It will help us to know that which skills should we focus on right now, or which career options to choose, which courses to pursue, and which colleges to take admission in. So once you will know which career you are suited for, only then you can take the next step of pursuing a course or degree in that career, right? So today we will talk about 5 jobs that are going to be trending after lockdown. So let's start. Home healthcare systems are becoming very popular in today's generation, in today's times, because elderly people, they would need care, pregnant women, people with disabilities, the people who are mostly not very prone to COVID-19, they need proper care, and also the people who are the asymptomatic carriers but who needs to be quarantined at home. So these kind of facilities they are needing right now. So that's where these home healthcare systems are coming up. So there are many great companies in this home healthcare system, and they are working towards giving this kind of services to the people. So home healthcare and health and fitness, anything related to good health, nutrition, fitness, yoga, exercise, all these things are going to be very trending after lockdown. And if you want to make a career in this field, then this is the best option. Anybody who is wanting to make a career in the health sector can just go about it. There is no denying the fact that for the next 5 years this healthcare industry is going to boom, and home healthcare systems are going to be the next big thing. So you don't always need to be a doctor only to get into home healthcare or the health sector. You can go into it by becoming a health service provider. You can go into pharmaceuticals. You can become a nutrition expert. You can become yoga expert. So healthcare is a very vast topic, and anything which helps people to combat the situations that are arising out of COVID-19, those things are now in demand. So you can also be a therapist working on mental health, how to take care of people's mental health during this lockdown period. So many things are there, and it just needs a little bit of research to understand which will be much suitable for you, and then you can opt for a career in this sector. So this was about healthcare. Now let's move on to the second job. Next is tech jobs. So tech generally is always in demand according to people, but you also have to understand that what kind of tech is right now in demand. So right now the most in demand tech jobs will be Python developer, front end developer, back end developer, and full stack engineer. So what is this? हमने सुन तो लिया कि भाई Python है और full stack है और back end है और front end है, but we don't know what it is. So let me just describe what it is. See, a front end developer is the one who makes the website. जब आप किसी भी वेबसाइट को देखते हो तो उसका जो भी डिजाइन है, जो जितना भी यूजर इंटरफेस है, वो एक फ्रंट एंड डेवलपर बनाते हैं. बैक एंड डेवलपर इज समबडी हु वर्क्स ऑन द आर्किटेक्चर, हु वर्क्स ऑन द कंप्यूटर प्रोग्रामिंग ऑफ दैट वेबसाइट, कि किस तरह उस चीज को, उस सुंदर से इंटरफेस को बनाया गया है, उसके ऊपर काम करते हैं बैक एंड डेवलपर. और जो फुल स्टैक इंजीनियर्स होते हैं, फुल स्टैक इंजीनियर, स्टैक इंजीनियर्स फ्रंट एंड डेवलपर और बैक एंड डेवलपर के साथ मिलकर एक टोटल यूजर एक्सपीरियंस के क्रिएशन में हेल्प करते हैं. तो ये थे हमारे टेक जॉब्स जो कि अभी बहुत हाई डिमांड में रहेंगे, क्योंकि हर कंपनी की एक वेबसाइट होती है और उस वेबसाइट को मेंटेन करना एक बहुत हर्क्यूलियन टास्क होता है. देन देयर कम्स द लॉजिस्टिक्स एंड ई-कॉमर्स कंपनीज लाइक Myntra, Flipkart, Amazon. So the maintaining the website traffic, developing a user experience, working on how the customer is going to interact with the website and how to takes a lot of time and a lot of work done by the engineers. So this is one of the very high-end tech jobs. Next comes cloud computing. Cloud computing क्या होती है? Cloud computing is a form of providing services to people using hardware and software, using a combination of hardware and software, and through a medium, and that medium is internet. So मैं आपको cloud computing का एक छोटा सा example देना चाहती हूँ. Gmail. जो ये Gmail है, Gmail के थ्रू हम Google के सारे apps को access कर सकते हैं. We can access a lot of things. So this is what cloud computing is about. So cloud computing में भी बहुत scope है अभी. तो इन सारे टेक जॉब्स में आप एक चीज देख पाएंगे कि इट इज ऑल रिलेटेड टू टेक्नोलॉजी, इट इज ऑल रिलेटेड टू कंप्यूटर साइंस. सो येस, इन टेक जॉब्स कंप्यूटर साइंस, आईटी, machine learning and artificial intelligence is going to be one of the biggest trends right now, and from my point of view this trend is going to go on for at least the next 10 years. It is going to be on a full developmental phase, and after 10 years only we'll be able to see the end product of all these technological developments that is going through. So right now, if you are a student who wants to pursue a career in engineering, so these topics are hot topics right now. So if you want to, you can opt for engineering in these courses, and see what the future holds for you, and I'm damn sure the future is very bright in these fields. Cyber security. With the digital transformation of every company comes a huge risk of डेटा ब्रीच. डेटा ब्रीच क्या होती है? हम अब सारे लोग, हम लोग सब कुछ हम लोग कंप्यूटर्स पे करते हैं. हमारी कंपनी का पूरा डेटा जो है वो इंटरनेट के थ्रू सर्कुलेट हो रहा है हम सब में भी. तो इसके लिए साइबर सिक्योरिटी एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करने लगी है हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में. एंड साइबर सिक्योरिटी इज समथिंग which has come into focus of late due to various kinds of hacking and everything going on in Twitter or any other kind of platforms. So it is very important to understand that cybersecurity is the important facet of any organization, and if you are making a career in cybersecurity, then there is nothing better right now, because there is already a dearth of good cybersecurity professionals, in India. The field is very saturated. So if you are making a career in this, then you are going to be somebody who is going to have a niche career, and having a niche career will always give you a good stronghold in terms of getting a good pay, in terms of getting a good exposure, in terms of working in a good company. So cybersecurity is the next big thing, and amongst all the tech jobs and amongst all the aspects, IT and everything, cybersecurity is something which is really interesting, and people will have a lot of avenues open. You can work with any organization, we can work with any social media platforms, you can even work for the government. So if you are a cybersecurity analyst, then you have a lot of avenues open for you. So want to make a career in cybersecurity, then this is the big time which you can make. So let's move on to the next. Online education, how can it be left behind in this scenario? सी हम एक चीज़ हमें ये ध्यान में रखनी होगी कि हम जिस भी परिवार से बिलोंग करें, अमीर, गरीब, मिडिल क्लास, लोअर मिडिल क्लास, वी ऑल नो दैट फॉर एवरी इंडियन फैमिली एजुकेशन इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो एजुकेशन के लिए हमारे बाकी नीड्स को भी हम पीछे छोड़ जाते हैं, और हमारे पेरेंट्स हमेशा हमारे एजुकेशन के लिए अच्छी फंडिंग, अच्छी अमाउंट ऑफ मनी रख देते हैं, जिससे हम उसे यूज करके अच्छी तरह एजुकेटेड हो पाए. सो इसी चीज का फायदा उठा रही है अभी की ऑनलाइन एडटेक कंपनियां. सो यू हैव ऑलरेडी सीन बिग मेजर स्टार्टअप्स of India have now gained a worldwide foothold in just a span of some days or some months. So they are competing with worldwide platforms like Coursera and Udemy right now, this Indian startups. So online education is the thing. So but you don't need to be an employee of any kind of these kind of startups, but you can just open your own YouTube channel and teach students. If you are good at something, you just need somebody who wants to learn from you, and you can start teaching. So online tutoring, online education, online edtech startups are going to be the next big thing, and they're not going to be, they are already the next big thing right now. For a career in teaching, or who just wants to utilize the free time by teaching people something, they can opt for this online education. So this is something it is really something to watch out for. Next is content writing. Content writing is a very subtle profession, and it is it is not generally very glorified or very looked upon, but it is a very interesting profession. And content writing means planning, creating, and editing the content for website or any kind of web content. So content writing doesn't mean कि बस आप blogs लिखेंगे या फिर articles लिखेंगे. It is not like that. In content writing you'd have to write email newsletters, you'd have to write YouTube description videos, you'd have to write posts, you have to write messages to the customers, you have to interact with customers. So it is basically everything that is written in web is some kind of content writing. The chunk of mail you receive every day in Gmail, the newsletters, the messages, the notifications, or the small posts, snippets, these are all forms of content writing. And for content writing you do not need any kind of hi-fi degree. If you know how to write well, if you know how to articulate yourself well, anyone can start content writing. So yes, if you want to start your career in content writing, you have to start from small internships, small time internships. So my suggestion would be make a profile in Internshala and apply for internships in content writing. And this is going to be a remote work. You can work from your home and you can just submit the assignments which they are asking you to, and you'll be getting a stipend of 3,000 to 5,000 per month. So once you have completed 3-4 internships like this, then you can easily gain a strong foothold, gain a client base, and then you can start your full-time content writing. Even if you are just looking to utilize your free time and earn some good bucks, interning from Internshala and content writing is something which is very easy. It doesn't require much skills. If you're already good in writing, then this is something which you should look forward to, and this is going to bring in some extra money also during this period, so why not? So I had also done one internship in content writing because I also really love writing, and it was a good experience. I learned something about search engine optimization, and I learned how to articulate well, how to express myself in the given number of words. So these are something which you can learn anytime. So content writing is going to be another thing which is going to be very trendy. Actually it is already trending a lot right now, so you should give it a try. 5 jobs which according to me are going to be trending jobs after lockdown. And there are a lot many jobs right now. There are a plethora of jobs which are going to be trending, but according to me these are the first 5. And if you want me to make a video on other jobs which might be trending, then just let me know. I'll make another video on this. And if you like my video, please share it among your friends, share it among students who are going to start their career, share it among people who you think will gain something from this video. It will help me to spread whatever knowledge I have, and it helped me gain my purpose of spreading knowledge and inspiring people. So please help me in this endeavor. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.